Hi guys, it's Elisa here, welcome to my channel. Today, as you see, I am completely not camera ready. I am going to draw my first ever digital drawing I ever made, which is now really good. Yeah, recently I was scrolling through my old YouTube videos, which are not public, so you won't find them ever. And I found this treasure, and I thought it will be really interesting if I would redraw this drawing. As you can see, I will show you. Don't mind how many windows I have open right here. It's a lot, and it's not even all of them. As you can see, yeah, it took me 6 to 7 hours. It's pretty crazy because it doesn't really look good in the end. Alright, so right here you see the comparison of two drawing processes. At the left it's obviously the new one, and the right it's the old one. And I swear, I'm freaking sure there will be still people that will say, I like the old one more, or there is not so much progress. Sometimes I get it, but if there will be anyone who even likes even one little part of this drawing more than the new one, I will freaking die and I will haunt you in your dreams. But anyway, you can immediately see what kind of a difference it makes when you just create some of the guidelines, some of the soft sketches, you know. And in the right one, I don't know what I was doing. I don't know. I just draw the lines and I'm hoping for the best, and well, it isn't the best, so not even close. Oh wait, I did create some guidelines, but they were so shitty. It's not even worth talking about. Just don't do it. Please don't do it. It's not how guidelines are supposed to look like. Oh my god, I'm sorry. It's so bad. I'm so embarrassed that I ever made something like this. No, I'm joking. It's just a part of the journey. It's I wouldn't be able to draw like today if I didn't ever draw like back then. You might have noticed, but my new process video for my new drawing is a little bit edited when it comes to cutting something off or spinning up, slowing down, because honestly, if I just left it how it was with a speed up of 1000%, you would honestly just get an epileptic attack, because sometimes my drawing process is just one big ADHD in its true form. Zooming out, zooming in, I'm rotating, I'm flipping, I do things all the time, and yeah, I just didn't want you to suffer from it. So yeah. It's pretty crazy how I just didn't know about so many things. I can't really remember how Sketchbook Pro, because that's the program I was working on, worked exactly, but I don't think it had layers. It doesn't seem like it, because I am just drawing. Yeah, it has to have layers because you see the sketch underneath. In this situation, I just didn't know how to use layers. Yeah, mistakes were made. Another really big mistake is not drawing with big areas first. As you see, I am really focused on details, which is really bad, no matter the technique. Like, are you drawing traditionally or digitally? Doesn't matter. You need to like look at the big areas first, and the details, they come later, you know, because otherwise something will look good from close up when you are making those details, but not from far. I prefer drawings that look unfinished because they don't have a lot of details, rather than drawings that have a lot of details but the whole look of the whole drawing is just not well thought of, you know. But like, the really sad thing about my old drawing and how it came out is the fact that I was actually pretty good in traditional drawing. I will show you some of the drawings I made in this year and maybe really close to this time I made this drawing, and they were really good, but only because I didn't know the basics of digital art, because it is really different. You won't be able to just draw really good in digital art even though you are like perfect painter or something. If you have a lot of traditional art skills, you still need some extra skills like digital art skills to be able to translate those traditional art skills into digital art skills. You know what I mean? I hope you know what I mean. Honestly, I remember being pretty aware of those mistakes like in anatomy and stuff, but I was just trying to finish this drawing because the lack of knowledge and the tools, digital techniques, I was just really, it was so difficult to finish even one little part of this drawing. It just felt like I suddenly had to draw with my foot. And yeah, that's exactly how it felt like. Alright, so we are pretty far with this drawing comparison. And I have to be honest, I was just too lazy to draw the second hand of my new character. So yeah, I'm pretty lazy recently. So yeah, what can I say? But if you take a closer look at my new drawing's hand, you will see that it is a little bit handicapped. And I didn't know why, so I don't know why I am talking so softly. I really don't know. But anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram what to do to make it look better. And honestly, I didn't change anything because I don't really like this drawing anyway. I don't know why. Maybe because of the colors, because in a second I will have to add all those rainbow colors to the smoke, and then all those colors, reflections on her face. And as you know my art, if you know my art well, then you know that I don't like to use all the colors of the rainbow in one drawing. And also the fact that she's so gray, and I don't know. Like, I don't like drawings that are grayish and then they have one rainbow-ish source to it. So I don't know why I drew it back then. I hate this idea actually, but there were a concept behind it. Actually, when I look at this drawing, I think that there was something really dark happening in my head. You know, it looks pretty dark. And I remember I really hated pink. I don't know why, but I really hated it. And right now pink is like the best thing for my drawings. I love using pink. I literally have to stop myself from using pink as the main color in every of my drawings. So yeah, I think it was because of how feminist I was when I was little. Because pink was so girly, I didn't like pink. It might be it. Yeah. But anyway, we are done. And this is the final comparison. It is not comparable, basically. If you find anything that was better in the old drawing, as I said, I will die. But then let me know in the comments, and let me know how do you like the new piece, and just tell me some of the feedback, you know. And of course, if you want to ever hear my voice again and see my face again, then subscribe to my channel with the bell icon, and give this video a thumbs up if you want me to upload more often, because it motivates me. If you don't motivate me, I will just sit here and watch The Walking Dead. And it has a lot of seasons, so it can take some time. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.